best anti-aging natural remedy for wrinkles and sagging skin. Rice can be seen in almost everyone's kitchen. We also know fairly well that rice water has many benefits such as facial cleanser, toner and to tighten skin. Study shows that inositol presence in rice water can promote cell growth. So, new cell growth will make your skin younger and healthy and slows down the aging process. It also contains amino acids, vitamin B, vitamin E, minerals and antioxidants, which all takes a great part in skin tightening home remedies to reduce wrinkles on face naturally, as it is loaded with antioxidants that could inhibit the activity of elastase, which is an enzyme helped to damage elastin. So, if you are looking for some nice home remedies for wrinkles around mouth, this process is going to be the best home remedy for your face skin. We will now take 2 teaspoons of this rice water paste to use it in our wrinkle remedies. When it comes to healthy fruits, the name of pomegranate will come surely. Pomegranate juice is not only a healthy food, its use in our home remedies also makes our skin healthy, radiant and glowing. Today, as we talk about wrinkle removal home remedy, it should be noted that pomegranate contains a lot of vitamin C, which is very essential in treating dull and dry skin. Also, around 82% of pomegranate's volume weight is water, and thereby it's effective in keeping you hydrated. Being rich in antioxidants, pomegranates neutralize the effect of free radicals in our body. Adding this ingredient to your diet or in face packs will stimulate keratinocyte skin cells. Thereby gives you wrinkle-free, younger-looking skin naturally. Now we will extract the juice from these seeds with the help of a sieve. This juice not only gives you youthful flawless skin, also reduces dark spots and blemishes which appears with age. Just like there are too many beauty products out there to better your skin health, there are as many natural remedies that can do magic too. If you want to know that how to reduce wrinkles on face naturally, then stay with us for a while longer. We are all familiar with almond. Today we will use this homemade oil extracted from almond seeds. Another day we will show you how you can easily make this pure organic oil at home. So for now we will combine this oil with today's DIY anti-aging remedy. It is enriched with vitamin E, which stimulates collagen as well as makes these type of remedies moisturizing and soothing for skin. But right now we can't use this remedy. It should be kept in refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, then this home remedy will be useful and works best for wrinkles. Let this cool down a little bit,